this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make some minor fixes in your code with the help of ChatGPT. So I have this custom liquid code here, and somehow it's supposed to work something like if I open another website, I use the similar code of this website with the help of eComHardy.com, and there is all the options and steps given. So I use that code and I applied on this website, and it is showing up correctly, same like the other website. But on the other website, if I click copy, it is copying the code, whereas here somehow if I hover over the mouse, it is showing as per it should show, but when I click copy, it doesn't fire the copy code. So if I want to fix this one, what I have to do is I simply go back to my code, Control A and Control C with the code, and I go to ChatGPT. Simply go to chatgpt.com and log into your account. And here you just simply give a prompt. So, hello, I have applied this custom liquid code to my Shopify craft theme product page, but somehow the copy function is not working. Can you please check the code and make necessary adjustments? Thanks. And shift enter, and I provide the code here. So now ChatGPT can check the code, verify the code, and make some necessary changes to make sure it will start working correctly. So I give the prompt here, and now ChatGPT started inspecting the code, and it has found incorrect quotation marks there, which is why the code was not working. Other thing it has found is possible Shopify restriction. So it has given me the fixed code. I simply copy that and I go to my Shopify customization product page, custom liquid code section, and I Control A and paste the code there. Make sure you take a backup of your Shopify theme. Now save changes. Now once I save the changes, let me go to the front page of the same website. Control F5, so it will refresh with the, and if I click copy, the code has started working now. So this is how you can do some minor fixes of your Shopify theme liquid code with the help of ChatGPT. By the way, if you want to know how to add this kind of feature to your Shopify product page, feel free to check it out, the link of the video given in the description. And also you can go to eComHardy.com and you will find the same link here as well. So eComHardy.com, Shopify and custom liquids. And here you will find the step-by-step guide how to add that functionality. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.